khulei shibun hero result ke pun apo ka Mpsc minta kasni khalai tarik September ajar psau ka badai jong ka Meghalaya Police Service under Home Police Department August 2019 conducted by the Commission on 10 to 11 and 12 September 2024 kipandap ka interview is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the Commission are as follow: Ban Kerlang Marweng on reserve, Josh Pasi on reserve, Butki Suchiang on reserve, Daniel Ebor Chalam khasi jaintia, Piki Pang E Sangma Garo, Megambi Di Sangma Garo, Warun Khar khasi jaintia, Heipormi Papang khasi jaintia, Walam Suk Esalu khasi jaintia, Hepsiba Nongrum Shulai khasi jaintia, Rahul Di Shira Garo, Ririti Wankhar khasi jaintia, Moneshwar Hajong Odar ST, Silning Di Sangma Garo, Migam Di Sangma Garo, Tengchak Koksi Sangma Garo, Raksan Moming Napo sports person, Garo sports person. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointee is satisfied after such inquiry and may be considered that the candidate are suitable in all respect. The congratulations namta kini baro khat nyongut kibala long successful namta kini post Meghalaya Police under Home Police Department. Tangan higi jumtip khulei shibun.